With the kind permission from all the experts, let me allow to start the today's Viva Voce of my research candidate, Mr. Guruprasad Ghadi. I hope I am very much audible to all of you. Respected Chairperson Dr. Prakash Dongare sir, respected external expert Dr. KC Ramotra, one of the external examiners Dr. B. Madha Suresh, respected head of the research center Dr. Sanjukta Sattar ma'am, and all my fellow colleagues, various research scholars and geographers who have joined this online Viva host on the request and for to grace the occasion. At the outset, I take an opportunity to welcome all of you for this virtual Viva host of my research scholar, Mr. Guru Prasad Ghadi. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the Viva host examination of our research scholar, Mr. Guru Prasad Ghadi. Today's academic exercise marks an important milestone in the research journey of the scholar, and it reflects the rigorous standards upheld by the research center of the University of Mumbai. I extend my respectful and heartfelt welcome to our chairperson for the Viva Voce, Principal Dr. Prakash Dongare sir, who is working in the J.M. Patel College of Commerce, Mumbai. Sir, are grateful for your leadership, guidance, and for graciously presiding over this important academic event. I am deeply honored to welcome our external expert, Dr. KC Ramotra sir, a well-known geographer, I can say father of urban geography, who is retired from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Sir, your distinguished contribution in the discipline of urban geography and research guidance continues to inspire scholars and academicians across the Maharashtra and country. We are privileged by your presence today in the capacity of external examination. I also extend warm welcome to another external examiner, Dr. V. Madha Suresh, and the backbone behind this Viva host, that is the head of the research center, Dr. Sanjukta Sattar ma'am. With the kind permission of chairperson and external expert, I would like to request Mr. Guru Prasad Ghadi to present his research. Over to Dr. Dongare sir and Ramotra sir, please.
Ramotra sir, can we ask Guru Prasad to start his presentation?
External expert Dr. KC Ramotra, Chairperson for the Viva Voce, Principal Dr. Prakash Dongare sir, uh, Professor Dr. Sanjukta Sattar ma'am, Head of the Research Center, Head Department of Geography, University of Mumbai, my research supervisor Dr. Sardar Patil, another external examiner Professor Dr. Venkateshan Madha Suresh, RSC expert Dr. BB Sonule, Dr. Savitsmita Chavan ma'am, Principal of Devrukh College, Dr. BB Kunure sir, as well as Principal of ASP College, Devrukh, Dr. Narendra Tendulkar sir, and research scholars, academicians, a very good afternoon to you all. At the outset, I take the opportunity to welcome the panel members for the Viva Voce, as well as the research scholars and academicians who are present here for online Viva Voce. I am delighted to present my research on problems and prospects of Chiplun Town of Ratnagiri District, a geospatial perspective. Rate of urbanization is increasing all over India, and Maharashtra is not an exception to it. Maharashtra is the third most urbanized state in India, accounting for 13.55% of total India's urban population. Chiplun town, strategically located on Mumbai-Goa highway, well connected by Konkan Railway, is experiencing significant consistent growth due to nearby industrial development as well as ample water from the river Vasisti. But however, the region is facing various problems regarding urbanization, and there is a lack of integrated geospatial studies regarding LULC dynamics, urban problems, community perceptions, and sustainable development goals in this region. Hence, the study aims to focus the balance and sustainable development through special planning. Chiplun Town in Ratnagiri District is selected as study area. Addition to it, adjoining 16 villages have also been included in the analysis. Chiplun is the second largest town in South Konkan. It is located on Mumbai-Goa highway, approximate midpoint from Mumbai and Goa, with easy access to Satara and via the Chiplun-Karad state highway. Also, abundant water from the perennial river Vasisti and adjoining dams nearby MIDCs are the major key factor responsible for the development of the entire region. Apart from that, availability of transport, better road connectivity, school, colleges, banks, financial institutes, ATM networks, moderate type of AQI, various government and corporate offices, commercial developments are some of the positive points for the entire region. While the region is facing various problems such as waterlogging and flooding, parking issues, clogged drainage, narrow roads, wastewater and solid waste management challenges, etc. Hence, the research on problems and prospects of Chiplun Town with geospatial perspective is definitely helpful to planning and promoting the balance and sustainable development in the entire study region. A total 75 research articles have been thoroughly reviewed and categorized into urban water scenario, LULC assessment, urban problems, solid waste management, urban planning, and urban transportation, etc. And I am not going to provide here a detailed review due to time constraint. So research gaps are LULC analysis for Chiplun Town and adjoining region remains untouched to date. A research team had tried to address the problem of solid waste management only, but no institute or researcher has yet focused on the other issues on broader extent. Neither the government organization nor the private researcher have addressed the Chiplun Town for an exhaustive plan. No one has tried to interlink the geographical, geological, environmental, cadastral, historical, related utility information aspect for effective planning of the region. So the primary objective of the research work is to analyze the problems and prospects of Chiplun Town and adjoining region with geospatial perspective. However, the particular objective are to create the geodatabase for the various facets regarding sustainable planning of the town, to analyze the spatio-temporal variation in LULC, to analyze the problems of the study region, to analyze the availability and quality of water in the region, to delineate the suitable sites for future settlement, wastewater recycling, solid waste management, etc., and to find out the prospects for sustainable urbanization in the region. Entire research is mainly based on primary and secondary data. Primary data were obtained from various sources through intensive field survey using questionnaire, observation, and interviews method, while secondary data were collected from various sources too that are displayed in the slide. QGIS software was used for the spatial analysis and mapping, while SPSS and Excel were used for statistical analysis, tabulation, and graphical representation. The flow chart indicates the research methodology. Entire research has been divided into the 8 chapters. Chapter first is of the basic, that is the foundation, while chapter second focuses on the geographical and socio-economic profile of the region that directly or indirectly shape the entire research. While from chapter 3rd to chapter 7 are of the core chapter, and chapter 8 includes the research outcomes. Slide provides the research methodology regarding chapter 1. While chapter 2nd is entirely based on secondary data obtained from various sources such as Bhuvan Cartosat imagery for physiographic analysis, Bhuko's geographical survey of India for geomorphology related maps, SOI topo sheets for drainage networks, census handbooks for population data, SOI online map portal for administrative shapefile, while QGIS, SPSS, and Excel were used for data analysis. Slide provides the administrative boundary map as well as the contour map. Contour map clearly indicates the saucer type of topography in the entire region. These are the maps regarding geomorphology and geomorphology origin. Most part of the study region has pediment, pediplane, and plateau of structural and denudation type of origin. While this slide provides the maps regarding lithology and drainage, basalt and laterite are the major rock in the region. Slide presents the soil type and vegetation. Major part of the study region has deep, well-drained clay soil. Study region has hot and humid climate as per the indication of the map of the graph. Slide provides the information about the population. While this is the population density map for the region, slide provides the growth rate of population from 1991 to 2011, and these are the tourist places in the entire study region. So this topic was particularly analyzed as the foundation of the urbanization in the region. Chapter 3rd is also based on secondary data. Shape file was for the entire study region was obtained from the Survey of India online map portal, while LULC data for the year 2010, 2015, 2020 and 2024 were derived from the Google Earth historical imagery via on-screen digitization. The created layers were converted into shapefile format and analyze it in within QGIS software with special overlay techniques accounting the area calculation to assess the spatial and temporal variation. Slide provides the map for LULC for the year 2010, LULC for the year 2015, LULC for year 2020, and LULC for 2024. So temporal pattern of land use land cover change clearly indicates that open or scrubland has a dominant share in LULC and it remains constant during the 14-year of tenure, exception to it the year 2015 where there is slight decline in open or scrubland. Vegetation ranked second in LULC and it also remains constant during the 14-year of tenure. Again, the exception is the year 2015 where there is slight increase in vegetation. Also, the area under roads and settlement has increased continuously in the region during the period, while the highest positive change has been recorded in the settlement, that is 33% of increase during the overall tenure, while during this period total agricultural land has decreased by nearly 14.76%. Area under settlement has increased at decreasing pace, while area under agricultural land has decreased by 8%, 7%, and 0.74% during the 14-year of tenure. Contrary to it, and the area under roads has increased by 2.12, 1.4, and 6.13% during the overall tenure. Intercategorical temporal changes, that is change detection analysis, clearly indicates major shifts, particularly from open scrub to settlement, open scrub to road, agriculture to settlement, agriculture to road, vegetation to settlement, and vegetation to road. That clearly indicates the process of urbanization and related infrastructural development in the entire region. Overall, the LULC analysis indicates the intercategorical temporal changes as well as the major changes in the last few quinquennium that strongly supports the process of urbanization in the entire region. Chapter number 4 is mainly based on primary data, which was collected through intensive field work using structural schedule, while Google Earth Pro was used to analyze the spatial pattern of problems in the region, and secondary data collected from various sources was used as supplementary and validation of the analysis. Target was used for qualitative data analysis, while advanced Excel technique were used for quantitative data analysis, and QGIS was used for spatial mapping. So chapter number 4 is of problems of Chiplun Town and the adjoining region. As we have seen in previous chapter, poor LULC planning and management is one of the problem in the entire study region. Also, the study region has some locational disadvantages too. Photo plate 4.1 clearly indicates the saucer type of topography, and these four are the elevation profile taken from the Google Earth. This is the exact location of the Chiplun Town. So we can see clearly the topography is a saucer type. So this type of topography create hurdles in the development, as well as it enhances the possibility of flooding and waterlogging in the region. Apart from that, crocodile encroachment in human habitat is another problem reported by the respondent, particularly who are living in Chiplun Town, Kaluste, Karjikar Mohalla, etc. Such incidents happens occasionally, particularly during the rainy season in Chiplun town, especially in the locality of Bahadur Sheikh, Word Naka, Chins Naka, Kavitai, Bhogare, Bazarpet, etc. areas. Waterlogging and flooding is the major problem in the entire study region, which is associated with physiography, rainfall, and relatively low height, very low height difference between the river Vasishti and the entire topography. The average height for the entire study region above Vasishti water level is only 3 to 5 meter. Study region experienced severe flooding on 22nd and 23rd of July year 2021. Photoplate 4.3 and 4.4 gives the exact idea of waterlogging and flooding in the entire study region. Photoplate 4.5 also consists of various images regarding flooding, while photoplate 4.6 indicates the Kerdi industrial area and fire broke out incidents in Kerdi. Such incidents happens occasionally in the MIDC region, as well as the people who are living in the vicinity of MIDC also stated the problem of pollution during survey. Traffic congestion, continuous heavy traffic, accidents, lack of proper signal system, lack of parking facilities, poor maintenance of roads, potholes are another problem in the region. Primary survey reveals that the major roads in the entire study region are narrow, and traffic congestion seems severe during the peak hour, particularly in the morning and evening, and especially from Chipun Bazarpet towards the Bahadur Sheikh Naka and Chipun Bazarpet towards the ST stand. The narrowness in the of the Bazarpet road also creates parking related issue and enhances the traffic congestion. These are the accident prone and traffic prone roads. Problems of residential areas includes choke drainage, stray cattle, especially stray donkeys are abundant in the region, and some of the problems regarding water tap water pipeline. This map provides the region under the Gram Panchayat and Municipal Council, so the administrative difference sometimes creates problem. Along with that, some environmental solid waste management related and other problems are there too, such as soil erosion, water tract, increase in fallow land, increase in solid waste, pollution, etc. Chapter number 5 is also entirely based on primary data, which was collected to intensive field work. Researcher has tried to assess community perception towards the sustainable development and 12 SDGs. MS Excel and SPSS were used for data processing, while SDG index were calculated using Z-score method and normalized the score between 0 to 1 using advanced Excel template. So chapter number 5 is of community perception towards the development of Chiplun Town and adjoining region. Total 2,572 respondents were surveyed. Among them, 99.36% were literates. Occupational graph clearly indicates the majority of own business, industrial worker and private jobs in the region. Most of the families have annual income between 1 to 5 lakh. Hence, most of the families are from middle class families. 36.77% respondent from the entire study region, along with 13.69% respondent in Chiplun Town, reported that there is not any kind of drainage cleaning at their residential areas. And daily or weekly drainage cleaning is performed at only 1% respondents' residential areas. Most of the respondents are living in the simple house of tile, cement and metal sheet, while flat or apartment system, particularly prevalent in Chiplun, Mirzoi, Uktad, Kherdi, Satish, Chinsgari, Kalmbaste region. the entire study region fulfills its water demand from river Vasisti and nearby dams. 69% of the surveyed family depends upon the tap water scheme, while newly constructed apartments use borewell to meet its water demand. Slide provides the detail regarding frequency and duration from tap water scheme. So overall, there is not any kind of major issue regarding water supply in the entire study region. Most of the respondents offered 3 to 4 points for the facilities provided by local governing bodies. 19.68% respondent experience 1 to 4 feet of waterlogging level during heavy rainfall each year, while 0.80% respondent experience more than 4 feet of waterlogging during heavy rainfall. 26.97% respondent experience 4 to 8 feet of water level at the time of devastating flood, while 4.12% of the respondent, especially from Chiplun, Kheradi, Valope and Kaluste region, reported 8 to 12 feet of water level, while 3.19% respondent, particularly from Chiplun and Kheradi, especially the families who are living in the vicinity of river Vasisti and its tributary Shiv Nadi, experience the water level exceeding 12 feet at the time of flood. In Chiplun town, major waterlogging prone areas are Bahadur Sheikh Naka, Kavi Tai, Word Naka, Chins Naka, Bhogae, Chiplun Badarpet, Juna Stand, Fish Market, etc. Nearly 15.76% respondent from the entire study region and 30% respondent from the Chiplun town reported that it takes more than 3 hours to receive the accumulated water during heavy rainfall. Researcher has tried to assess the sustainable development goal. These are the selected indicators. 12 SDGs have been selected as per the availability of data and suitability. Slide provides the detail regarding average scorecard of the SDG and average SDG index. Concerning the no poverty, the average SDG index is 0.66. That indicates the region is neither on lower side nor on upper side. While for zero hunger, the score is 1. That indicates adequate food security in the region. The village Pede, Dhamnaune, Karjikar Molla, Madrekashi, Shiral have scope for improvement in good health and well-being. While for SDG 4 and 5, the average index are 0.69. That indicates moderate to good type of quality education and gender equality in the region. And score for SDG clean water and sanitation is 0.44. It's mainly because of the very low frequency of drainage cleaning and lack of solid waste treatment in the region. For the affordable and clean energy, the average index is 0.50. That indicates balanced distribution in the region. While for decent work and economic growth, the region is on the slightly lower side. The entire region comes under moderate category for industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduced inequalities and responsible consumption and production. While the score for SDG 11, that is 0.04, that indicates unsustainable cities and communities. So overall, the average index for the entire study region is 0.58. That indicates moderate type of sustainability in the entire study region. Chapter number 6 is based on 182 water samples collected during monsoon and post-monsoon season. Water quality analysis were carried out as per the BIS standards, while water quality index were calculated using Brown ETL method in advanced Excel template, while regression analysis helps used to assess the relationship between the parameters, and QGIS software was used for the special mapping. Slide provides a map regarding groundwater prospects. The major part of the study region has groundwater within 80 meter with sufficient groundwater prospects. Total 182 water samples have been analyzed for the water quality analysis. Among them, 91 are from monsoon month and 91 are from post-monsoon month. And these are the maps regarding turbidity. The turbidity lies between 0.03 to 3.05 NTU in the region, while the pH lies between 6.5 and 8.1, and TDS lies ranges between 158 to 578 mg slide provides the maps regarding alkalinity, chloride and fluoride. The alkalinity level ranges between 32 mgl to 372 mgl, while chloride level ranges between 20 and 76 mgl, and fluoride is between 0.05 to 0.92 in the region. Maps for nitrate, sulfates and total hardness are shown here. The nitrate level ranges from 0.01 to 3.05 mgl, while the sulfate level ranges from 0.01 mgl to 9.35 mgl, and total hardness, there is variation in slightly variation since found in the monsoon and post monsoon month for total hardness. While left map indicates the iron related information, while right one map indicates the water quality index. So overall, the water quality analysis indicates most of the water samples are of excellent and good type of water quality. So there is not any kind of major issue regarding water quality in the entire study region. Chapter number 7 is entirely based on secondary data, particularly the spatial and planning related data. Standard spatial parameters were used for site suitability analysis. Overlay analysis, buffer analysis were performed in QGIS software. And efforts is made to identify the suitable sites for future settlement, solid waste management, water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant. It also includes the assessment of current dumping ground of Chiplun Town, water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant and parking sites too. These are the parameters have been considered to identify the suitable sites for the future settlements that are slope less than 11.3 degrees, height above 5 meter means the area out of the flood line, 30 meter away from minor stream railway line, and 500 meter away from water treatment plant, sewage treatment plant and dumping ground as per the Solid Waste Management Act 2016. And the sites are within barren land. Slide provides the maps regarding best suitable sites for settlement. Left one map is for suitable sites for settlement in areas with groundwater within 80 meter, while right one map indicates the suitable sites without considering the groundwater level, as the study region is abundant in water due to the perennial river Vasisti and adjoining dam, while the most of the families are depend upon the tap water scheme. So if we compare the both map, we will get more sites for settlement if we don't consider the groundwater level. And common areas are Coimbatore region, Kherdi and Chinkari border region, Kapsa Dhamnavne border region, southern Kapsa, Konde, Mirzoi, Shirai, Khopad and Kaluste. These are the parameters which have been considered to assess the solid waste management site. This red one is the current dumping ground of the Chiplun town. It is entirely located beyond the major stream water bodies, agriculture land and railway line buffers. But it touches the road buffer and entirely comes within the vegetation buffer. Also, it falls within the limit of settlement buffer of 500 meters. So the current site of dumping ground is not suitable. This is the map for best suitable site for solid waste management as per the site suitability analysis. There are total 8 sites here. Among them 5 are in the village Valope. Considering the wind speed, wind direction, urban expansion, population growth and solid increase in solid waste, researchers recommend the site number 3 which is located in Valope village as most appropriate. Slide provides the map regarding water treatment plant. This is the actual site of water treatment plant as per Chiplun town plan, that is water treatment plant 2, and water treatment plant 1 is the suggested alternative site that is located in the hilly area of the elevated area in the village Dhamnavne. So water treatment, existing water treatment plant site is better in terms of accessibility and access to fresh water, but it entirely falls within the flood prone area. Also, the comparative analysis indicates that the site number 1 is better, as it will definitely reduce the water supply cost for the entire study region. Slide provides the maps of sewage treatment plant. This is the actual site of sewage treatment plant as per Chiplun Town plan. Again, the sewage treatment plant site is located beyond the vegetation buffer, but it falls within the agriculture land buffer. Also, it comes within road and railway line buffer and settlement buffers too. So the current sewage treatment plant site is also not suitable. Instead of that, researcher recommends a decentralized sewage treatment plants. These are the proposed sites. These are the parking sites as per the Chiplun Town plan. There are total 8 sites as per Chiplun Town plan. Among them, the site number 2, 7, 8 and 5 are of great importance, as the site number 8 and 5 are located in the vicinity of Chiplun ST stand and National Highway 66. And the site number 2 and 7 are located in the busy area of Chiplun Bazarpet. So the findings, conclusion and suggestion. I will not read the finding, conclusion and suggestion as they are. Instead of that, I would like to highlight the key factors to save our valuable time. So the findings are: the population of Chiplun town and adjoining region is growing continuously. Chiplun, Pede, Chinsgari, Kherdi, Dhamnaune recorded a higher population growth rate in the region. LULC analysis clearly reveals the area under settlement and road has been continuously increasing, while the area under agriculture land had decreased continuously. Chain detection analysis also reveals that the area converted from open scrub to settlement and agriculture to settlements and road was remarkable. Newer settlements are increasing in the region of Kherdi, Chinsgari, Sati, Balope, Kapsa and Kambaste. Waterlogging and flooding is the major problem in the entire study region. Apart from that, poor LULC LULC planning and management, decrease in agriculture land, increase in fallow land along with the river Vasishti shore, clogged in human habitat, traffic congestion, lack of proper signal system, stray cattle are another problems in the region. Primary survey reveals that the younger generation in the entire region is highly educated. Also, the agriculture activities are mainly observed in the surrounding village or rural areas. Most of the families belongs to the middle class families. Most of the respondents are living in the simple house of made of tile, cement or metal sheet, while drainage cleaning is not performed properly at most of the respondents' residential places. The entire study region is abundant in water due to the perennial river Vasishti. Nearly 69.54% surveyed family depend on the tap water, while 33.36% respondent experience waterlogging during each monsoon each year, while the respondents in Chiplun, Kherdi, Shira, Kaluste, Valope reported water level of 8 to 12 feet during the devastating flood, while the families who are living in the vicinity of river Vasishti and Shivnadi, especially in Chiplun town and Kherdi region, reported water level exceeding 12 feet at the time of flood. SDG analysis for 12 sustainable development goals indicates the moderate type of sustainability in the region, as the average index for the entire region is 0.58. The middle portion of the entire study region has abundant water, which is filled by the perennial river Vasishti. Most of the water samples come under the excellent and good categories. Hence, there is not any kind of issue regarding water quality and water quantity in the entire study region. Kherdi, Chinsgari, Pede Parshura, Mirzoi, Dhamnaune, Balope, Kaluste, Karjikar Molla have significant sites for the future settlement, even without the consideration of groundwater. The location of current dumping ground is not ideal. Instead of that, the site location in Malope village, that is location number 3, is the most appropriate among the all 8 sites. Site in Dhamnaune village shall be more suitable than the existing water treatment plant. The current site for sewage treatment plant is also not suitable. Instead of that, multiple small scale sewage treatment plants along with natural drainage or decentralized system shall be ideal. to increase efficiency. So the conclusion, ideal location, abundant water due to the perennial river Vasisti, nearby Konkan railway station, nearby MIDCs such as Lote Parshuram, Kherdi, Gane, Khadpoli are the major factor responsible for the development of the entire region. Apart from Chiplun town, the newer construction are mainly observed in the area of Kherdi, Sati, Chinsgari and Valope and Kapsar, means towards the eastern direction of the Chiplun town along with the Chiplun Karad state highway, and towards the northern and southern direction of the Chiplun town along with the Mumbai Goa National Highway, that is National Highway 66. There is not any kind of significant problem regarding water quality and water quantity across the whole region, but in future it will be necessary to provide the tap water for the upcoming settlements. Waterlogging and flooding is the major problem in the entire study region, and the physiography of the town is mainly responsible for the problem. Due to the absence of deep slope, the entire low-lying region remains waterlogged during heavy rainfall. The SDG score for decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities is on the poor side, while all other SDG values are moderate to good. Kherdi, Mirzoi, Sati, Chinsgiri, Valope, Kalmbas and Kapsa have good potential for future settlement due to their accessibility, as the most of the villages are located on the National Highway 66 and Chiplun Karad State Highway. Kaluste, Shiral, Mirzoi and Konde have more ideal areas within the with groundwater within the limit of 80 meter. So there is significant potential for urbanization in the entire study region. So the suggestions, there should be proper scrutiny while granting the permission for agriculture land for to be used for another purposes. Efforts should be taken to achieve the higher values of SDG, especially the sustainable cities and communities, decent work and economic growth, clean water and sanitation, reduce inequalities. An advanced flood forecasting and warning system, a sustainable drainage system is required. It may include permeable pavements, green roof and walls, French drains, etc. Embankment of the river Vasisti and dredging and desilting of the river and its tributaries shall be the primarily remedial measure. Authority should think of flood levy and flood dikes wherever necessary to prevent flooding. Underground drainage grid, biopore infiltration holes, flood gates, flood barriers, flood insurance are some another measures regarding flooding. While Vasisti River watershed management on the micro level is required, river interlinking and river canalization, tree planting and green belt preparation along with the both side of the river Vasisti and its tributaries will definitely reduce the impact of flood. Repair and maintenance work of the existing tap water pipeline is also needed. Water meter installation should be compulsory. That will definitely generate revenue as well as put limit on the excessive water usage in the region. A drainage grid should be fitted to the all surface drainage in Chiplun town. That will definitely reduce the risk of crocodile encroachment as well as the risk of accident due to water logging in the rainy season. Proper cleaning and maintenance of drainage, proper signal system, maintenance of road, implementation of one way wherever necessary are under requirements. Slide provides the signal map including the existing but not in function use signals and the proposed signals. Sustainable solid waste management practices, eco-friendly wastewater sewage treatment methods should be implemented. Multi-story public parking facility will be needed in future to reduce the stress on parking. This is the bibliography. This is the questionnaire used for survey, research paper publication and paper presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Guru Prasad, for your wonderful presentation. Dear participants, initially I was supposed to talk about the work done by Mr. Guru Prasad Ghadi, but purposely I didn't talk with the view that you will get an idea through his presentation. Now, with the kind permission of Honorable Chairperson and external expert, I would like to invite questions from the public, I mean other participants. excluding Ramotra sir and Dongare sir. Later on, external expert Dr. Ramotra sir will ask his queries, clarifications, questions, and at last Dr. Dongare sir will conclude this Viva Voce. So I kindly request all of you, kindly raise your queries, questions, and other things, please. Suresh sir, namaste.
Sir,
Initially, I
namaskar,
didn't
sir.
welcome you. I didn't
Yeah,
welcome you.
thank you,
Yeah,
because I am in Pune.
yeah.
So without the knowledge of Professor Ramotra,
Yeah,
my senior brother, I am here.
yeah,
Actually, while I was starting, I was delivering lecture. So just
yeah,
now
sir,
I
yes,
came
sir.
in. Again, I am also participant now. I am not examiner. I am a participant in this VIVOS examination, wherein I want to congratulate you as well as for the student for taking up very relevant topic, nice topic. I gone through all thesis work. It went on very well. The presentation also done very well. I don't have any iota of doubt or clarification. Everything is done on well. I wish him all success, and also let him make effort to make a publication in the form of a book also. But there are a little lack noise there. About point of time, you can take it up for the requirement of thesis or book form. So thank you, you as well, sir, to allowed me to be examiner to evaluate the
Thank you,
thesis.
sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you so much. Without
thank you.
take up much of time now, lunchtime. So I
Yeah,
give a chance to other people to ask
yeah.
some clarification, other things. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. For other research scholars and faculty members, I would like to add that Professor Suresh was one of the external examiners, and instead of his busy schedule, he could submit the report within stipulated time. So this Viva is here going on. And really, sir, the comments provided by you in the report will be incorporated in future research. I assure you, we will continue research on the
Sure, sir.
Konkan region. Yeah,
Sure,
I
sir.
welcome Dr. Gatade, sir. Gatade, sir, please. I
Yes,
think the voice is breaking in between. Then I request. Yeah, sir. Please continue. Please continue.
Professor Gatade is there?
Yeah, sir. Actually, he is
Yeah.
traveling in Northeast India.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So whether he is able to convey.
You will see three generations here.
Sardar sir,
Thank
Professor
you.
Sardar sir.
Yes, sir. Power, sir,
Should
please.
I ask one question?
Yeah,
Should
please,
I
sir.
ask one question?
Your questions are welcome. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Dr. Guru Prasad sir. Hello, Guru Prasad.
Yes, sir.
Guru Prasad.
Yes, sir, namaskar.
Guru Prasad, are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Very much.
Presentation is very nice. I have one question regarding your conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Conclusion
Yes, sir.
which you are made in your thesis, that is a general one. Then how you validate your research in the present context?
Uh, Sir, nice question. Sir, we have perform your site suitability analysis as well as the SDG analysis that will definitely give some meaningful inputs towards planning of the entire study region.
Okay. Then how what you suggest, the concrete suggestions which you are made, the suggestion which you are made in your thesis, that is a very long one. But
Yes,
you
sir.
have to concrete suggestion within a pinpoint suggestion should be made in your thesis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
How you explain?
Sir, especially the major problem in the entire study region is waterlogging and flooding. So it is means to
Is there any scope to control
yes, sir.
that?
Yes, sir. Actually, the entire region's topography is particularly responsible for the flooding and waterlogging in the region. the river Vasisti and region is almost at the same level. There is not any significant or major difference in the region. Overall average height is from above the Vasisti water level is 3 to 5 meters, and some portions in the Chiplun town are almost the equal to the Vasisti water level. If the so river canalization and dredging and desilting of the river Vasisti, and particularly its tributary Shiv Nadi, are the remedial measures that should be taken by the authorities. Also, the authorities should think of flood levy and flood barriers wherever necessary. Such a uh, such a
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Guru
Because
Prasad,
why I'm asking this question? Why I'm asking this question? Because this the development of the Chittagong city. It is a
yes,
because it
sir.
is a agri because of that river, river, because that is the crux problem of that city.
Yes, sir.
So you think on that way that the waterlogging or the flood situation may be in control in future time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Power, sir. Just I would like to add that he made the concrete suggestions concerning the parking facilities, future land use, and especially the sustainable development goals, as well as concerning the solid waste management. And he suggested the pinpoint sites. I think he presented, but he couldn't explain you very well. Thank you very much. Your inputs given
Okay.
us a different
It's
direction.
beginning.
Yeah, different direction
Okay.
for
Okay.
our
Okay.
further research, and we will
Uh,
definitely incorporate the same.
yeah,
Yeah, please.
because this
Next,
is no.
Hello.
Okay. Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you very much.
बढ़िया.
Varale sir, please.
Hello, Guru Prasad sir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
I want to
1
ask
minute.
one question.
Ramotra sir is talking. 1 minute. Ramotra sir is talking. Okay, sir.
Okay,
What are the
thank.
Sir,
challenges you faced while carrying out this
Please
research work?
raise your queries if you have any. Don't worry.
Guru Prasad sir, what challenges you faced while carrying out this research work? What are the
Sir,
challenges?
sir, especially I was there. I was working there in DBJ college, and I had worked there for 4 years. Hence, I am familiar with the most of the problems. While surveying, during survey, I have taken admission for PhD in the year 2019. But then after the COVID starts, uh, at that time I was unable to collect the data. Also, the flood problem is the major severe in that region. At that time, also I was unable to collect the data. While all other remaining works, there is not any kind of problems while survey for me.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Okay, sir.
It was nicely presented. Thank you.
Sir, Sardar sir,
you. Sir.
Ramotra is trying to talk.
Yes,
Ramotra sir is
Ramotra
trying
sir
to
is
talk.
asking that please ask your queries only if any participants has. That is the question by
Okay,
Dr.
Patel,
Hello.
Ramotra
if
sir.
you have
Yes.
anything in your
Hello,
mind. Hello.
hello,
Hi, yes.
Guru Prasad.
Yes, sir.
You have used two terms. One is flooding and waterlogging.
Yes, sir.
How do you distinguish between these two?
Uh,
What is the basis of distinction?
Sir, water logging level. Sir, actually the region is entirely the major part of the region is very low. During each year there is water logging in the major areas of the Chiplun town. But if the rains continues till more than 4 or 6 hours, then it will definitely creates the definitely elevate the water logging level, and the situation gets towards the flooding.
Because waterlogging is a different connotation than flooding.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And you are talking about waterlogging in the rainy season.
Actually,
So
sir.
I don't know how you distinguish between flooding and waterlogging.
Sir, actually the problems.
Guruprasad, you may talk in Hindi also, no problem. No problem.
No, sir. I'm okay,
yeah,
sir.
yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
actually the problems is regarding the vicinity of river Vasisti water level. The major drainage lines are very low in the areas of the Chiplun town. When Vasisti water, during the heavy rainfall, the water logging started in the low-lying region of the entire study region. But when rain rain continues more than 4 or 6 hours, the level of Vasisti water level increases, and the increased water level enters into the drainage line and come towards the city. That also enhance the problem, and the situation get worse towards the flooding.
What is the contribution of Koina tailwater? Hopefully tailwater.
Sir, please repeat the question.
See, apart from the floods which are caused by rains, there is tailwater due to
Sir?
Koina project. Now Koina water falls at Pofuri.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it?
Yes,
so
sir. Yes,
that
sir.
must also be contributing, isn't it?
Yes, sir. The Chiplun,
yes.
the severe flood in Chiplun that is on the 22nd and 23rd of July 2021. One of the major reason is responsible for that the discharge of the water from nearby Kolhapur dam. That also elevates the water level of the river Vasisti, and that enters into the nearby areas, and the situation
Get worsen.
get worsen.
Get worsen. Sir, thank you very much, Phadke sir. We are really grateful to have a person like you in this virtual Viva. Sir, thank you. Thank you. I ask other dignitaries, kindly ask your question, queries. Otherwise, we will proceed to ask
Hello.
Dr. Ramotra sir. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, can you hear me? Ghadi
Yeah,
sir?
yes. Yeah, please.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question about the crocodile encroachment on human habitation.
Yes, sir.
So can you please tell me when is the crocodile encroachment on human habitation primarily felt, and why it is?
It's mainly during the rainy season, especially the nearby Vasisti river is the one of the habitat of the crocodiles, and during heavy rainfall, the Vasisti level water level increases, and it enters through the drainage line. So the encroachment of the river water through the drainage line, that creates the issue regarding crocodile encroachment in human habitat.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello, Guruprasad sir.
Yes, sir. Gatade sir, please. Gatade sir, please. Manish, please hold on. Gatade sir is trying to speak. Sir, kindly unmute yourself. Gatade sir, kindly unmute yourself. You are on mute mode. Please unmute yourself. Sir, we are unable to listen you. Kindly unmute yourself. Gatade sir.
Hello, Sardar.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Please.
Sir, Sardar, I would like to make comment. This
Yeah,
is not the
sir.
question to the candidate. I know that the PhD work is not the final work. It is
Gadare sir, make it clear what you want to ask from him.
of your life, especially that academic purpose. But I would like
It's
to
not clear
raise
what you
certain
are asking, in
questions.
fact.
Yeah. The candidate must be taken into consideration sustainability and urban development, especially United Nations has given certain sustainability goals. Especially 17 goals has been decided by the United Nations, and out of the 17 goals, 4 goals are related to the urban development. The candidate has referred these goals or not. If not, he may be considered in the future. For example, the urbanization and industrialization always goes hand to hand. That should be done. Then another thing that is the whatever the urban problem, take as a sanitary problem, take the population growth problem, take the poverty problem, that should be studied under the quantitative technique, not only verbal means. The third, my basic question is that water logging is not our subject. It is hydrological subject. And if you have done, so have you referred the hydrological purposes or how much rainfall? I am related to Konkan since 1979. My specific topic was the industrial geography of the Konkan in general and urban development in particular the Sir Parshuram Lute industrial estate. Sir, what impact has been done on the MIDC, especially Chiplun city? Then another, that is the smart city. That's one of the goals, sustainability goal decided by the United Nations, and even our Honorable Minister has also developed the smart city. So from that point of view, we have to make analysis how the Chiplun will become a smart city in the.
Chiplun is still a town.
Yeah. Gatade sir, thank you very much for your comments. Sir initially talked that he would like to comment. He has facing some internet connectivity, so he might not be able to
Future.
watch
So
that.
you have not done, it should be done. As the industrialization happens, the urban places grow, urban population grow. But my previous question is that as the urbanization grows, the general
No
industrialization
problem.
grows, that is media industries, they are growing as the population increase of the urbanization increases. And another my request is that from the viewpoint of environmental, there are so environmental hazardous opportunity. Maybe there are the tree problems, maybe the pollution problems, maybe the industrial problems, there may be slum problem, there may be poverty problem, there may be unemployment problem. That should be solved on the background of the certain theory put by the Edinburgh. You can put the Edinburgh urban geography and its development. One B.N. Sinha has also given the how to develop cities on the basis of the quantitative thing. So I am suggesting if you have done, it is better done, and if not done, so you can do later on.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your comments.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Thank you.
congratulations. I congratulations to Sardar Patil and your student. Sir.
Okay. Conveyed finally.
Now I request Dr. Sattar ma'am. She raised her hand. Ma'am, please unmute yourself and please speak. Sattar ma'am, would you like to ask something?
I think Chavan madam has raised the hand
So
and she
Chavan ma'am, Dr. Chavan ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, Namaste, Ramotra sir. Yes, sir,
Guru Prasad, you mute yourself so we will not get the problem.
Yeah, I just have a simple question for the research scholar. What type of management system is available from local governments during the emergency period of natural hazards in the study?
Ma'am, actually we are unable to hear you. Pardon, please.
What type of emergency services are available with local governments during or any natural hazards or any calamities in the study area?
Yeah. Guruprasad, kindly unmute yourself and answer the question. Ma'am is asking about,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Especially the flooding is the major problem in the region. During the heavy rainfall from Chiplun Municipal Council, the alert is provided to the all the all the people who are living in the Chiplun town. Also, at severe waterlogging, they use pumps to drain out the water, and also there some boat are available also at their municipal council that will provide necessary help at the time of flood. So the major is the alert which they are providing, and second one is the water pump they use to drain out the additional water.
Okay, thank you, Ghadi.
I hope there may not be additional questions or queries, suggestions, comments from other
Sanjukta
participants.
madam, would she want to ask anything? She is
Uh,
also there.
she was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
She has left now.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Okay, 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 okay.
Does any participant, I mean the research scholars, academicians, want to ask their questions, queries? You may please. Otherwise, yes, Manish sir.
Yes, Manish sir. Sir, Guruprasad sir, what is your unique contribution to this research?
Yes, sir. The SDG analysis is my unique contribution. Chiplun is the second largest statutory town in the southern Konkan, but to the date, no one researcher has attempted to assess the SDG regarding SDGs for Chiplun town and adjoining region to assess the sustainability in the entire region. SDG analysis will definitely give the insight for the planning of the region to the authorities regarding where to give the focus for the development in future. So it will definitely help to promote and plan it accordingly, and it will definitely helps to promote sustainable and balanced long-term development in the entire study region.
Ramotra sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Ramotra
please.
sir, please.
Okay, thank you very much, Sardar Patil. And mainly Principal Dr. Prakash Dongare, Chairman of the PhD Viva Voce, Professor Sanjukta Sattar, and yourself, Sardar Patil. Thank you very much for allowing me to act as an examiner. Guruprasad has made presentation very nicely, and he has also very satisfactorily and nicely answered the queries raised by the various scholars here. And he has tried his level best. In fact, everything cannot be controlled. This is the research topic which he has selected and tried his level best to do something really very good one. But whatever he has done very systematically, but still there are some of the lacunas left here. Now, first of all, I would like to ask Guruprasad, what is your title on the thesis?
Yeah.
Problems and Prospects of Chiplun Town of Ratnagiri District, a geospatial perspective is the title of my research work.
And you are starting, your work is on not adjoining region. Problems and prospects of
yes,
the
sir.
Chiplun Town and
Yes,
the
sir.
adjoining region.
Yes, sir.
Isn't
Thank
it?
you for, yes,
So
sir.
your topic is different and your work is different. How do you defend it? This is a
Yes,
major
sir.
problem.
Sir, thank you very much for the question. Accordingly, I can answer to your satisfaction. The thesis title has been kept focus on Chiplun Town. Chiplun Town to highlight the studies for urban center. However, from the geospatial planning and geospatial point of view, planning point of view, and functional point of view, the process of urbanization cannot be remain confined within the limit of administrative boundaries. Chiplun town is functionally and spatially integrated or interlinked with the adjoining region, which is experiencing the significant impact of urbanization in terms of land use, land cover changes, population growth, infrastructural expansion, and resource utilization, etc. Therefore, the adjoining region has been included in the analysis to capture the true extent of urbanization, to assess the present and future development pressure, and to provide the realistic and meaningful planning inputs. So
I understand you have done this in fact. Why the two things are different? Your main topic is Chiplun Town, prospect and the problems and prospects. Chiplun Town, isn't it? But
yes,
your work is on different.
No, sir, we have also worked on Chiplun town, but we have additionally taken the adjoining region to find out the
So you could have taken this title on the thesis also. Why didn't you? This was the extra work, in fact. No one could have asked you not to take or accept this. See, this cannot happen that your topic is different and your work is different.
Guruprasad, you may answer, please.
yes, sir. This change was suggested by the Research Advisory Committee at their initial meeting, and subsequently by the by RRC with minor modification.
No, sir, I would like to intervene.
Just a minute. Guruprasad, when the
Yes,
topic is finalized, you cannot even change comma,
yes,
apostrophe, or any grammatical, even if there is a mistake, you cannot change. And if you want to change, you have to write to the concerned authority. It will take 3 months at least to change your topic. It's not that easy that you can put the things as per your own mind. We excuse you only because you have done some extra work. Otherwise, if you have taken this title and you have worked on the only Chiplun town, then there would have been more problem.
Okay, sir.
This is God thank that you have done at least good work. It included that one.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, don't do in future. Stick your title, whatever it is, accepted by the committee. And committee has passed it. This is one thing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
In future, you have to take even for your own students.
Okay, sir.
You have to continue this. This is not Sardar Patil all the time. He has to defend you and your students. Because you are the main. Thereafter it comes, because the work is done both of. This is your work as well as supervisory work is done by Sardar Patil. That's true. He has to defend, he is defending very nicely. That's nice.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyway, next thing is you have taken the samples.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? You have taken 2,572 samples,
Yes,
respondents. And you are mentioning that you have taken the systematic sampling. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, why did you take this systematic sampling? Why not the random sampling or selected some other sampling? What should be the condition of taking undertaking or doing with this sampling technique? What is the condition?
Sir, it gives the better insight and systematic.
What is the better insight in that?
Sir,
what is the basis of taking this systematic sampling? What is systematic sampling first of all?
Sir, the samples collected in the systematic manners.
What is systematic?
It covers all the areas that is.
What
Guru
is
Prasad,
systematic?
Guru Prasad,
See, random
you
sampling
told
is there,
you
proposive
did the
sampling is there, snowfall sampling is there,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Then you have other many types of sampling, but you have taken systematic. Why did you? What is the basic condition for undertaking this sort of technique for collecting data?
Sir,
Don't take it otherwise. This is just pinpoint question.
सर गाइड को तो बताना
नहीं वो भी बताएगा, आप भी बता सकते हैं.
हाँ
चलो
actually sir
आपको भी अलाउ करता हूँ.
okay he used the technique of systematic random means the respondent selected randomly in a area, I mean Chiplun town,
So then there
Ustad
is also
village.
random method. Why did you take the only random method?
No,
Why
because
systematic random?
because it make at that time the respondent may be limited to only one portion of the city. Through systematic random, spatially
See,
we tried
Sardar
to get
Patil.
responses from
No.
all the
I tell
areas.
you.
Yeah.
If your population, total population, for which research is being conducted, whether it's a bunch of villages,
Yeah.
or a city, or a town, or mixed one, when the population is known, then you can take the system, this random sampling. When population is unknown, quite large one, then you have to go for the systematic sampling. Okay, but your town is having this how much 51,000 population, and your adjoining region is having hardly 41,000 population. And systematic sampling respondent, are you putting the people in one queue? You are taking the systematic sampling then?
The matter was only to get responses from all the regions
See, this
because
is not
persons
all the
will
time.
yeah
This is a
yeah
research. This is not search. You can go to anywhere in the crowd and start asking questions.
yeah.
So it is not the objective or objectives of the study that makes the study as a scientific study.
Yeah.
It is your methodology that makes it scientific, even if it is economics, geography,
Yes.
or even sociology. How you are working, how you are calculating, how you are getting the sample, your method, if it is strong, transparent, you can explain it well, and the results are scientific, applicable. That is your major base. So therefore, you could have done, because your population is not much. You have taken the 2,572 samples. Okay. Anyway, so this is in future, just you take care of while taking the samples, because that you have to clarify. Another, you have also taken this SPSS method, statistical package for social sciences, isn't it? Have you found what are the indicators which you have selected found very strong and very weak?
Sir, SPSS was used to analyze the water quality, particularly water quality.
Guru Prasad, it was used to process the data and to get the graphical and the data in terms of tabulation, because you collected the raw data, and for
Yes,
that
sir.
it was used. We didn't use to test any hypothesis because it was not included in your initial proposal, and that you need to answer, please.
Sir, the overall data which was collected through the questionnaire was uh, uh, classified in was analyzed in SPSS.
That you have mentioned in your thesis. I have gone through it from each and every word.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है नहीं? So just if you have not given the table, SPSS method, if you have applied this triangular, this it gives the data coefficient, correlation,
Yes,
all the indicators.
we don't
Sir, I would like to add some comments in
Okay.
between. We
Okay.
didn't use the SPSS for statistical analysis. It was
Okay.
only used to process the raw data and to
and
get that data in the
into
form of
Excel.
tables, charts, etc. Because that was not part and parcel of our research for statistical analysis.
But he has
And
measured
other
the
work
development. But he
and
has tried to measure the development.
yeah, for that advanced excelling has been used. Sustainable development
Okay.
goals.
So
Yeah,
what are the
advanced.
indicators? What are the
Yeah,
indicators you have selected for measuring the development of Chiplun town and adjoining region?
Guru Prasad, kindly share your screen and present your Excel. That will more better.
SDG.
That will more better.
Okay, sir.
Sir will
Okay, sir.
get detailed idea.
You look into your thesis, you can pick up this and see that.
गुरु प्रसाद म्यूटवर आहात
Yes, sir.
अनम्यूट करा स्क्रीन शेअर करा आणि एक्सेल शीट ओपन करा एक्सेल टेम्पलेट
Sir, for SDG, na?
SDG yes
Yes,
yes
sir.
yes
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
SDG also if sir is interested in water quality index that also you may show.
This is the Excel template which was used for analysis of SDG, and these are the parameter. Total 12 SDGs have been selected, as I mentioned in the presentation. So this is the no poverty SDG. These three indicators means percentage of household below poverty line, percentage of household with yellow ration card, and percentage of household under the social security scheme. This is the direction of correlation. Some are some of them are negative while some are positive. Unit for that is percent, and these data were collected through various data sources, primary as well as the some secondary. These are the
What
actual
are you saying?
values.
Some indicators, some indicators are positive, some indicators are negative.
It's a
Yes
relation
sir.
towards the
Direction
that direction towards
direction of
the
correlation
SDG. Direction
direction
of
of
correlation.
correlation direction of correlation
This is the value, and this is the minimum and maximum values as per the as per and the score get normalized between 0 to 1 with using that formula, and total aggregate average score was calculated on the basis of these three parameters for the SDG1, and such type of such also for some SDGs there are three for some SDGs there are four parameters have been used, and the analysis as performed accordingly.
Sir, I would like to add something that
Okay,
the
okay, sure,
direction is
sure.
negative means if the percentage for household below poverty line is higher, it is not
Then
the positive, it is negative side. There that percentage should be lower. At that time, we may say that is sustainable development. So that direction has been considered here. Either it is this direction of correlation is positive or negative, and accordingly the conditional equation has been provided considering the z score original equation, and that normalized score has been calculated there. Guruprasad, please click on 0.91. Double click on 0.91. No, no, no. Press escape. Press escape. Press escape. Escape. Escape.
Yes, sir.
Only double click on 0.91. Yes. Sir, this is the equation you will see on screen, that we conditional equation has been given here to calculate, and initially for each and every village, surrounding village and town, these 12 indicators has been calculated, and later on it is merged in a single table, and you will find only that single table. For your kind information, I mean, for all the research scholars and academicians, I would like to say that all these analysis has been attached in the form of annexures.
Okay.
Sir, I am sure you are satisfied.
Okay, okay, it's all fine.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah,
are trying your level best.
yeah, yeah.
It's okay. You have also taken up this community perception towards this development of children.
Guruprasad,
Uh,
enter,
like
click
the
enter, enter, click on
Chiplun Town
enter.
and adjoining region. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So what is the community perception? Is it that you are considering community's perception for
Yes.
measuring the development or some just reflections?
Both, both,
Both, sir.
both.
Both. How come? If somebody see, there are your respondents, maybe many illiterate or semi-illiterate, semi-educated. How come they will be able to evaluate the development of Chiplun town or their villages even?
Sir, even though the respondents were, sir, while during the primary survey, it is revealed that major respondent which we have surveyed are literate. So the literacy rate is nearly 99.32%.
More than 99%.
99% were surveyed people who were literate, and we have taken the information from that literate people regarding
Literate does not mean highly educated. Literate means the person who can read and write with the understanding in any language.
Yes,
that
sir.
is literate person.
Yes, sir.
Guruprasad has presented his topic, sir, in two parts. One part is belonging to sustainable development goals. For that purpose, different kind of primary data, wherever necessary, has been collected. At some places, it may be a observation also, and perception of the community, that what is the reality in their area. For example, when we talking about the cleanliness of drainages, either it is cleaned regularly or not, and that even illiterate person also can answer those questions. Accordingly, this is the twinning
See,
of, yeah,
community
yeah, yeah,
perception, even it is being used,
yeah,
particularly in tourism also. That's
yeah,
why am I asking question. You have 30% people having degree, in fact, degree
yes,
or more than that. And 9% people diploma holders. And primary education, those who have done, they are hardly 7% and 3.32%. Okay. So this is what actually the distribution of your this literate person. So anyway, you have done very nicely this work, and I feel that you should get it published and give the proper title and clarify your methodology also, and many of your these concepts which are needed to be explained, you have tried and you have explained in the very beginning of your thesis, first introductory chapter. So anything, whatever it is being left out, there are some mistakes also, grammatical mistakes. You just take care of that before publication, and thereafter you can go for publication purpose. So it may be in the form of a book or in the form of this articles as per the rules, so that both of you can be benefited, your college, university, and in this and the state as well, isn't it? So nicely done. You have tried your level best to answer, to clarify the queries raised by the various other scholars. And what I am asking you, you have tried to clarify, but some of the things which are left out, you have to do it thereafter and to continue your research in a nice way. Congratulations to Sardar Patil and to Guru Prasad also. This is unofficially, in fact, officially let it come. Now this is, I am handing over to the chairperson, Dr. Prakash Dongare. Now his comments regarding this, and he will conclude about this Viva Voce.
Thank you, Dr. Ramotra. You are nicely concluded this particular thesis, asked the relevant questions. Those are very appropriate, I feel. And there is definitely means I was also supposed to ask about the title and the content of the thesis. So we have to take care. Whatever is the title, we have to restrict to that particular area, and accordingly we have to do the study. So Rathade sir asked very relevant questions related to sustainable development goal. Quantification should be very clear, and in that table I think health related score is going more than 1.18. So that I think is a mistake. So
No,
you
sir.
should not.
This is not a mistake. Actually, there are three values: एक actual value, another one is minimum value and maximum value. The minimum and maximum values has been taken from WHO standards, and the
Oh,
actual value is beyond the maximum value decided by the WHO. So
Guru
that
Prasad,
value
what
is
can be the
beyond.
reason behind
Yeah,
this?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Guru Prasad, what can be the
Sir,
reasons?
It is higher side.
sir,
It is positive sign, sir.
positive side.
Positive
Okay,
side.
fine,
Yeah, it is
fine.
positive side.
So overall, the views given by Gathade sir, Ramotra sir, Chavan madam, Padke sir are very relevant to this particular theme. And yes, definitely we have to make our cities or towns sustainable towns. Uh, One more component I feel it was required means you have mentioned good things related to water availability, but no mention is there about the air pollution, noise pollution, because it is the traffic zone area. So when you do the further studies related to it, you can cover that particular aspect. So finally, I will say your topic is very relevant and the need of our literature review is done quite nicely. Primary, secondary data collection is there and it's of good quality and quantity. Yes, you have used the recent technology. Some of the conclusion points are too general and some quantification is required or some more analysis is required in it. So from all of us, wish you all the best, and with the permission of Sanjukta madam, Ramotra sir and Sardar Patil sir, I declare that this particular Viva is a successful Viva. You have answered the queries, you have attempted at many places, and candidate can be declared the PhD degree of University of Mumbai. Thank you
Thank,
very much.
Okay,
thank,
thank you very
thank you
much. You
thank you very
sent
much.
the this
We will proceed.
performa of a
Yeah,
PhD,
yeah, yeah.
and we will sign it. You send it on the email. In fact, I will get it printed and put my signature. Thereafter, I will send you back.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir. Thank you. I will
okay.
do that. Before proceeding towards the formal vote of thanks, I would like to add some clarification. And my motive is that research scholars and academicians do not take a wrong message in concerning the same. That's why I would like to add some clarification concerning the title. Very initially in the first chapter the scope has been defined, and accordingly that part has been covered. Additional part has been covered with the view the future expansion of the town. Otherwise, the research scholars may take it in a negative way and they will do in their research also ये होता है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसके लिए मैंने ये क्लेरिफिकेशन दिया. Before formal vote of thanks, from my bottom of heart, I thank you one and all, because all the academicians present here, Dr. Phadke sir, Dr. Savit Smita Chavan ma'am, Suresh Shetkar, Auti madam, Gatade sir, my research scholar, research guide, then Dr. Thakur Desai, Dr. Wankhede is there from Devgad College, Bharti Unni ma'am, so many, because I'm really grateful that you all have attended and graced this Viva Voce. Now I request the research scholar Guruprasad Ghadi kindly extend the vote of thanks to one and all. Please.
Thank you, sir. Respected Chairman, Honorable External Expert, respected Head of the Research Center, members of the Research Committee, esteemed teachers, colleagues, and dear friends. At the outset, I express my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to the Chairperson of today's Viva Voce, Dr. Prakash Dongare, sir, Principal JM College, JM Patel College of Commerce, Mumbai, for graciously presiding over this examination and for his valuable time and guidance. I extend my profound thanks to the external expert, Dr. K.C. Ramotra, sir, a distinguished geographer and an eminent academician, for his insightful observation, scholarly evaluation, and constructive suggestions, which have greatly enriched my research work. I am also grateful to Dr. Venkateshan Madha Suresh, external examiner, for his critical appraisal, valuable comments, and academic inputs during Viva Voce. I sincerely acknowledge Dr. Sanjukta Sattar, head the Department of Geography and Research Center, University of Mumbai, for her continuous academic support, encouragement, and guidance throughout my research journey. I express my deepest sense of gratitude to my respected research supervisor, Dr. Sardar Patil sir, Professor and Vice Principal Nyamurthy Tatyasaheb Atle, Arts with Athalye-Sapre-Pitre College and Dada Saheb Pitre Science College, Autonomous Devrukh. His constant motivation, expert guidance, and unwavering support, especially in SPSS analysis, methodological rigor, and final thesis drafting, have been the strongest pillar of my research. His mentorship has shaped not only this work but also my academic outlook. I also place on record my sincere thanks to Dr. Savismita Chavan, former head Department of Geography, University of Mumbai, for her cooperation during my admission process. I am grateful to Dr. B.B. Sonule, external expert and RSC member, and Dr. Dipali Gadkari, RSC coordinator, for their valuable suggestions and support at various stages of my research. I thankfully acknowledge the assistance provided by the Research Administration and Promotion Cell, that is RAPC, University of Mumbai, for their timely guidance and facilitation. I express my heartfelt gratitude to Ms. Dr Sardar Patil for her warmth, hospitality, and care during my stay at Devrukh, which made my research work more comfortable and memorable. On a personal note, I express my deepest gratitude to my mother, Ms. Rajeshri Eknath Ghadi, for her unconditional love and blessings, and I respectfully remember my late father, Mr. Eknath Ramchandra Ghadi, whose values and inspiration continue to guide me. I gratefully acknowledge the support of Mr. Akshay Petkar and my colleagues, Mr. Aditya Lavekar, Anisha Danwalkar, Amisha Amre, Prathamesh Taute, and Bhakti Patankar, for their assistance in primary data collection and fieldwork. I am also thank for Shashikant Modi, Mr. Sanjay Shirke, and Mr. Sandeep Mane, GSDA Ratnagiri, for their cooperation and data support. My special thanks to Ms. Dakshata Sawant and Mr. Sahil Lingayat for conducting water analysis and strengthening the scientific validity of this research. As a faculty member of Sri S.H. Kaikar College, Devgad, I sincerely thank Shikshan Vikas Mandal Devgad, its office bearers, principals, vice principals, faculty, and staff for their encouragement and support. I am equally thankful to my fellow research scholars for their cooperation and academic companionship. I also extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Mosmi Datta, Principal, and Dr. Sonali Bhatkar, Librarian, Nagindas Khandawala College, Mumbai, for their assistance in plagiarism checking. Finally, I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the individual and institution who have directly or indirectly contributed to the successful completion of my research titled Problems and Prospects of Chiplun Town of Ratnagiri District, a geospatial perspective. Thank you all for your valuable time, support, and encouragement. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much. It's nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ramotra sir, for joining.
Okay, thank you very much. It's
Thank
very
you,
nice
thank you.
presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you,
And
sir. Thank
to
you.
chairman also, he has very nicely handed over
Yeah.
the things and can done his
Thank
job
you.
very nicely.
Thank you.
Huh?
Right,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Something.
Hello.
Madha Suresh sir, namaste.
Madha
sir,
Suresh में क्या में discontinue कर गया क्या?
Yeah. No, he is in Pune University. He is in the
Here.
conference, so he may not be speak. He
Okay,
initially
okay.
informed
Okay, sir,
me
thank you.
concerning the same. Initially.
Okay.
Howard sir, thank you for joining.
Thanks.
Wankade
And
sir, thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you to all.
Thank you. Setkar
All
sir,
the
thank
best.
you. Thank you.
All the best. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Outi madam,
Okay,
Hemant
thank you.
Chavan sir, Mangde sir, Sattar
Congratulations,
ma'am,
Sardar Patil.
Unni madam, thank you. Thank you, Chavan ma'am.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you.
Ramotra
Thank
sir,
you.
good afternoon.
Very good afternoon,
Thank you
madam.
to
How are
Swati
you?
Pawar,
Yes,
Sanjana,
sir, I am fine. How are you?
Vinita
Fine,
Nair.
thank you very much.
You are in
It's
Kolhapur
pleasure to
or?
see you at least here
Yes,
also.
Sandeep
yeah.
Jadhav.
Hello, sir.
So you
Congratulations,
are
Thank
Sardar
you.
Patil, sir,
Thank
and
you.
Guru Prasad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Guru Prasad mute
okay.
आहात
Thank
तुम्ही.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me end the
Bye.
meeting. Thank you. Outi madam,
Okay.
thank you. भेटू आपण.